first. They need to be on point. The arch of my eyebrows should be sharper than that of a knife. Thank God it didn't take that long and they sort of look on point. I'm sure other girls will be so jealous. Eye makeup kya karoon? I'm so confused. Blend, 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 blend. Oh wait, it's actually not that bad. Arjun will be impressed. Oh God, अब कौन सा color choose करूँ? Should I ask someone? Let me try smudging this color. Smoky हो जाएगा. I have no clue how this is going to turn out, but I'll just pretend to do it like a professional. Oh wow, this looks smoky now. Or not, I'm not sure. जो भी है, it looks nice. तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. Not fair. Time to do my liner. Hands, stop shaking. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Almost there. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Such a pro. बस यही तो चाहिए था मुझे लाइफ में. Thank you God, thank you so much. Oh shit, almost forgot. मस्कारा लगाना तो भूल ही गई. Need to show some love to my lashes. Oh yeah, show me what you got, mascara.